So this US 30 analysis for Thursday, 16th of August. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we went into this consolidation here. We didn't went into this price contraction squeeze. What we did see was a break of that price contraction squeeze here to the downside in alignment with the most recent trend, which was to the downside. So from this price contraction squeeze, we did see a breakout to the downside, breaking beyond 25,101 all the way down towards the 25,000. Did trade slightly below the 25,000 towards the 25. Came pretty close to a test of 24,950. I think we came all the way down towards 24,960, from which we did see a break back above 25,000. Came back down, retested the 25,000, did hold support around 25,000. Saw a strong bullish reaction beyond 25,101. Brief pullback, break from that pullback from that flag pattern there. We did see a breaking beyond the 25,243, and if we do continue to hold beyond the 25,243, we're looking for a move up towards the 25,372, where we do have the 400 period moving average. Previously in area we've encountered resistance, so we'll see if we do encounter resistance again around the 25,372. But if we do break and hold 25,372, we're looking for a move up towards that 25,439 beyond that 512 here on the US 30. If however we do turn around from where we are at present, or we do encounter a major resistance in around 25,372, with the confluence of the 400 period moving average, looking for a retest of 25,243 to see if it does hold the support. If we fail to do that, we will then look for price head down towards the 25,101, successful break from which we're looking for a 25,000. And if we do have volatility bring us beyond the 25,000, the very next level of note here to the downside is a move down towards our 24,864 here on the US 30. And before we wrap up, let's just have a look here at the daily chart before we wrap up here on the US 30. So on this US 30, we were in a pretty sharp acceleration here to the upside. We've posted our highs. We've had a we've got a very strong pullback here from in around that 24. It's near 500 points actually. It's actually more than 500 points, near from 700 to back down to 25,000. It's near 700 points. So let's just see where our highs are. Our highs were interesting. 25,695. So in around that 25,700, we've pulled back to below the 25,000 mark. So we had a near 700 point pullback here on the US 30. Somewhat breaking out of the trend that we were in. And we've pulled back out of the trend. We've had a pretty strong reaction towards our 25,000, and we're in this consolidation. So we'll see if this consolidation reaffirms the trend to the upside here on the US 30, or whether we'll post a possibly lower high and see a further decline here on the US 30. But overall, trend more recently has been to the upside, despite this rather strong pullback here on the US 30. So we'll see whether we can continue to hold more significantly above the 25,000 mark from a daily chart perspective for continuation over the medium term, or whether we'll continue to see a continued breakdown here on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.